Snakes, love them or hate them, they've got a knack for giving us the chills. The bigger they are, the scarier they seem, right? Brace yourself as we unveil the most jaw-dropping moments caught on camera with these enigmatic reptiles. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer awesomeness of these fantastic creatures. Number 1. Large anaconda found in jungle. An average anaconda stretches out to a length of around 4 meters. And that's not all. These beasts can weigh up to a whopping 90 kilograms, making them a true force of nature. But here's where things get really fascinating. Their mouths are built for devouring anything that crosses their path. Yep, you heard it right. Anacondas have the jaw-dropping ability to swallow just about anyone daring enough to stand in their way. Number 2. 8-meter python discovered in India. Look at this video. An 8-meter python was discovered in India at a construction site. Can you believe it? But here's where the adventure truly begins. It took these brave souls a whole half hour to wrangle and capture the majestic snake. And guess what? This turned out to be none other than a pregnant female. Number 3. Giant snake found by house. Imagine this. You step outside your house, minding your own business, only to come face to face with an absolute nightmare. A colossal, monstrous snake lurking dangerously close to your home. This tingling encounter is not for the faint of heart. We're talking about a truly terrifying situation that can send shivers down your spine. Number 4. Anaconda found in villages after heavy rain. Due to heavy rain, the Amazon River swells and surges with incredible force. Due to this, the neighborhood villages become submerged under the rushing floodwaters, bringing with them an army of snakes. For example, this 6-meter-long anaconda, the queen of all serpents, in the midst of a residential building. Number 5. Thickest snake found ever. Prepare to meet a snake that defies expectations and leaves even the bravest trembling in its wake. Meet a snake that may not hold the record for length, but oh boy, does it make up for it in sheer girth. This formidable creature is known for its impressive thickness, making it a true force to be reckoned with. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible footage like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.